Good evening, everyone. This is Ijeoma from London. Cook with Ijeoma in London. Today, I made Nigerian Chinchin, which I use 1.5 kg of plain flour and 250 grams of sugar. Then butter, 500. I have to use 500 grams of butter. Then I use milk. That's the red top milk. I use it as water to mix. Then Levito, which is called baking powder, I use 2 spoons. Nutmeg, I use 1 tablespoon as well. Sugar, salt, I use 1 tablespoon of salt to mix. Vanilla essence, I use 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence to mix it. So egg, I added 3 eggs for that 1.5. I don't use so much egg. It's not everybody that likes to eat too much egg. So I just used 3 eggs for that 1.5 kg. Then sugar. I did not add so much sugar in it. You just your preference, the way you want it. If you want 1 spoon, just put. Once you like the taste, it's gone. It's just okay with me. Just whatever you like, the way you want it is how you mix it up. Then I used red top milk to mix the chinchin. As you can see, this is yummy chinchin. This chinchin is originated from Italy, where I lived before. I'm known for my chinchin. So whenever my chinchin and meat pie is out, everybody there must eat it before touching anything to eat. So enjoy my delicious Nigerian chinchin and have a blessed weekend. Please share my video, comment, like, introduce your friends to Sister Ijeoma's video. May the Lord bless you. As for my followers, may the Lord bless you. You are so good. You are sweet. As you keep sharing my videos and as you keep following me, the Lord Almighty will bless you and make everything that you do flourish in the name of Jesus Christ. Thank you so much. You'll see an update once again for another yummy meat pie tomorrow. Have a blessed and lovely weekend. Bye from Sister Ijeoma in London. Thank you so much. Bye.